Good day everyone. So today I got Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. You can see the model number I have is N985F/DS. By tapping the software information, so this is the current latest portrait ROM of the One UI version 8 and White 16 baseband version provided. If you see the build number, Artisan ROM Quant, the version is the latest one 3.5.0. So today I'm going to show how to make the device certified. Currently, my mobile phone is showing device is not certified. Now going further, just want to inform you that if you are getting help from my videos, do not forget to like the video, keep sharing it with others, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, click the subscribe button, click the bell icon, click the select all. Thank you. Now links are all provided in my video description. Let me show the internal storage. You can see I got two integrity method folder here. Well, first I apply this method, and with the help of this method my mobile phone was certified, but for 5 to 6 days. I don't know what is the reason, but the method is now not working. So in this case I have the second method. I got the other folder which I name it integrity method 2. Opening the integrity method 2 folder, these are the modules file 1, 2, 3, 4. Links are provided. Download these modules file and the APK file KsuWebUI, right? Now open the kernel SU next because the Artisan ROM Quant is coming pre-rooted by default, and the kernel SU next pre-rooted application by default coming. Open the kernel SU next. Then go to the third tab, install the modules, tap plus sign. Then I will open my integrity method 2 folder, and first I will install the resigisk. Done. Go back, tap plus sign, install the play integrity fork. Then go back, tap plus sign, install the tricky store. Done. Go back, tap plus sign, install the tricky add-on module. Done. Go back and open the my files, install the APK file. Reminding you, you have to turn off the auto blocker in case if the auto blocker is blocking the KsuWebUI, right? So I got the file installed already. I will tap done. Then I will go back and I will open the kernel SU next application, tap the power button, tap reboot. Unlocking the screen, mobile phone got rebooted. I will go to my next screen. I can see KsuWebUI already got installed. If I tap the KsuWebUI to open it, it may show please grant root. We have to grant root access to the application. I will go back. Then I will open the kernel SU next application and I will tap the second tab here. Look for the KsuWebUI. This one, right? Tap on it. Turn on the super user. Okay, done. Go back to the main screen of the kernel SU next. Just do like this. You can see the menu here. Tap the third tab, then tap the play integrity fork and tap action. This is the procedure that I already started to make the device certified. Now we have to wait. The application started downloading something, so better to wait here. Okay. After you see done, still we have to wait. When this close button appears, means done. Tap the save button, done, then tap close. Okay, now I will go back to the main screen, open the KsuWebUI. It is showing please grant root. Okay, I will close it, then tap the reset button and clear the KsuWebUI from the recent list. Go back up. Again, tap the KsuWebUI. So you will see this time it will open. Now tap the tricky store here. Better to proceed this method with the help of the KsuWebUI. Now tap the three dots, tap select all. Okay, tap three dots, tap deselect unnecessary, tap three dots, tap keybox, then tap repo and select the first one, the latest one, this one, right? Tap to select it, wait for it. Done. Tap the three dots once again, tap set security patch, tap get security patch date, fetching, done, then tap save. Security patch saved successfully. Tap the save button once again. Okay, done. Go back. Then tap the kernel SU next. Tap the power button. Tap reboot. Unlocking the screen. Finally, mobile phone got rebooted. Right. Now we have to clear the data of the Play Store. Keep tapping on the Play Store. If you see this window, then tap the app info and then tap storage. Tap clear data. Delete. Done. I will go back. Open the Play Store. Right. I will tap here and scroll down, tap settings, about, tap check certification, device checks complete, right? Got it. You can see device is certified. Now let me check the integrity. I will tap the Play Store version for 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see now you are now a developer, right? Tap journal, then tap developer options, tap check integrity. You can see my mobile phone is showing meets basic integrity, meets device integrity. Wow. So things turn smoothly, device is certified, right? Now just in case, if you see the device is certified for 5 to 6 days and after 5 to 6 days, if you see it is showing device is not certified, simply you have to open the KsuWebUI. The procedure that I done, just repeat it, like tap the tricky store, three dots, select all, then deselect unnecessary, then tap keybox, repo and select the latest one, then set the security patch and done. Then clear the data of the Play Store, you will see the device will show certified, right? So thank you for watching my video. Keep sharing it. Subscribe my channel also. See you again. Bye bye.